What's up, Savvy Expats? Today we're going to be looking at a place that you can walk around, get some bubble tea, or just check out a bunch of different restaurants and shops for you to hang out. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So you guys already know this is a walking tour, and we're starting at this area in Park 30th. This video is meant for those of you guys that want to just relax, walk, maybe get some exercise, or in general, check out other restaurants and shops. So here we have a really large field. I suggest if you have kids, or you want to play frisbee, whatever it may be, you can play in this large field. And as you can see a little bit further down, they have a Dean and DeLuca's. I believe it is not finished yet, and whoa! That is the first time I've seen you have a Ruth's Chris Steakhouse. I honestly did not even know that they had a Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, but if it would be anywhere in the Philippines, it'd probably be in BGC or somewhere in Makati. If you guys know Ruth's Chris, any of you local Filipinos, it's a pretty popular steakhouse in the US. They have some good steaks there. So if you guys want to try that out, maybe when it's open, you can. Oh my goodness, do you guys see that pizza oven? Guys, they have a pizza oven. I want a pizza oven in my property. Make my own fresh baked pizzas, or brick oven pizzas. So there you have Alicia. This is the bubble tea place I was talking about. I suggest you guys try their brown sugar coffee bubble tea with their pearls. Good bubble tea at Alicia. And check out this view, guys. Phenomenal. Look at that. And speaking of views, look at this. Come on. You cannot beat that view. The skyline view of BGC. Beautiful. And so you guys can get a good idea of this area we're walking through. So we were beside the Park 30th Park. We went through and took a left towards Alishan, walked further down, and here we have some more restaurant options here. I don't know what to necessarily call this area because it's not really one specific part of BGC, but I just wanted to show you guys an area that I haven't covered in the past. And if you want if you guys want other places to eat, we have other options here as well. So we're gonna walk across here. I'm gonna skip through a little bit. I'll walk across here. As you can see, you have the restaurants, Frankie's, Go to Tendon, Yellow Cab. You have a Starbucks down there. But we're gonna walk towards that area. Alright. As you can see, it's a nice day out. It just finished raining here in BGC, so it's not very crowded. You do have some people working out, but to get to that little plaza down there, we're gonna go forward, take a left, and walk down there. Also have some construction going on here too. Alright guys, and like I said, we're gonna walk across this street area here. We're gonna take a left, and that's how you get to those group of restaurants I showed you guys. They also have a soccer field here too. We could stop by there. As you can see, it's down that way. There you have Avita Towers. There's a soccer field right there. Lately I haven't been seeing soccer players there. Let me tell you, every time I walk past the soccer field, there's always trash there. So there you have the restaurant area we were talking about, and we're gonna check out all the restaurants they have there. We're gonna walk down this group of restaurants, guys. Here you have a place called Mimi and Bros. I don't know what they serve there, but as you can see, it's kind of like a sports bar, as they have TV in there. But they serve drinks for you adults. And then we're gonna walk through here. So for Mimi and Bros, that's the first restaurant. As you can see, they have some sort of deals for drinks, cocktails, fried chicken. It kind of reminds you of it's like a pub pretty much. And then here we have Goto Tendon. Guys, Goto Tendon, I don't know really what this food is. I believe it's Filipino street food. Goto, pare, silog. I'm not totally familiar with that. Comment down below what exactly that is. I believe it is street food because one of my friends, he eats goto and he eats pares, which is street food, recovery food. All right, I'm guessing that's pretty healthy. Here we have Yellow Cab. Some decent pizza here, guys. They're at Yellow Cab. So as you can see already, quite a few options. You have Army Navy. Over here you have burritos. I believe, yeah, maybe they are 24 hours with the quarantine and lockdown and that kind of stuff. I'm not sure about anymore. They have burritos there, burgers. And as you can see, they also have a Starbucks here. So here you have Starbucks. This is actually a pretty sizable Starbucks, as you can see. If you guys want to walk over here from track 30th, after your morning walk, you can get some coffee. So there you have this Starbucks. Check that out. I believe this is one of the only Starbuckses, maybe the only Starbucks in BGC that has a drive-through. And just to show you guys, let's see if we have it over here. Yeah, so here you have the drive-through. Don't want to get hit by any cars, but this is the drive-through to Starbucks. And so if you don't feel like walking, or you don't live in BGC, there you have an option to just drive through and get your Starbucks with ease. And then there you guys can see the soccer field. Here you have some furniture options. This is a MC Home Depot, kind of like the Home Depot in the States. So furniture and housing supplies. Alright, but we're not done with this tour quite yet, guys. There is still a few more places that I want to show you guys towards, again, Park 30th. Down that area, there's a really cool Ferrari store. So I don't know how many of you guys can, but go get a Ferrari here in BGC and then tell me about it. It's pretty rare though. Yeah, so you have a Ferrari store there. Or if you're just a car enthusiast, you guys can check that out. A lot of different car stores here in BGC. You have Lamborghini, Porsche, Benz, like I said, Ferrari. And then you also have the more simple stores like Nissan and things like that. So we're gonna walk through here, down this street. Alright. So down here, guys, we're gonna check out more stores and shops. I'm gonna take a right here. Alright, here we go. And maybe in one of our next walking tours, guys, we'll walk further down and I'll show you guys the Ferrari store, because it is something I really like looking at. Soon in another video, we'll also look at Uptown. We'll go inside the mall, look at it in depth, and we'll also look at Market. For those of you that want cheap, more affordable deals for fruits and vegetables, Market is probably the place for you guys. Another place that I really want to check out too is Rustan's Marketplace and the Landmark shop or store that's new here in BGC. Alright, so this is the last group of restaurants I want to show you guys. We could have just walked, you know, where we started our tour right there, and then right here you already have the restaurants, so it's really nearby, but we just took a loop. Here you have Sushi Nori, Arabica Coffee. Sushi Nori, they have some good, what do you call it, the poke bowls, but do not get that one. Do not get the Wagyu bowl. That's like soy or something. It's totally not Wagyu. I've tried it. And then here you have Arabica Coffee. My opinion on Arabica, not a huge fan of it. They do get a lot of customers, but I don't really like it, guys. W City Center. Ano? Mall ba to? Ano yan? Ano to?
Office.
Ano?
Office.
Oh, office. Sige, salamat. Okay, sabi daw office. Oh, I forgot to say po. I always forget to say po. Still learning Tagalog, guys. Give me a break. Now we have some Shakey's. We have a Shakey's parlor. I don't want to sound like I don't like everything here, but it just happens to be I also don't really like Shakey's. But and like I said, you have this Nissan here, and that's pretty much the majority of the restaurants. To give you guys a heads up, from here, if you go further down this way, you have a high street. You have the high street where you can check out more restaurants and shops. We've already walked around High Street plenty of times, so we'll save that. And then down here you have an Adidas, Doc Martens, different clothing stores. And so overall, guys, a great area just to hang out, walk around, especially in the morning time. The morning time is the best time to walk around here in, Park 30th. And then you also have the Starbucks over there, so it's a great way to spend your day. Walk, Starbucks, go to eat at one of the restaurants I've showed you guys. And guys, they also have some really cool sort of murals here in BGC, all over BGC as a matter of fact. So a lot of cool stuff here in BGC, cool murals. And look at this. Oh my goodness, that must have taken a lot of talent to make something like that. What are they, sneezing or something? All right, so cool murals. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get this video to 50 likes so that in our next tour we can check out Market and other areas for walking tours. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.